drift away.
What is up, family? Welcome to another adventure. I'm super excited about this one. Probably the most excited I've ever been for a video. We are at the Grand Canyon's Cavern and Inn. We actually are getting ready to go almost 300 feet under the ground. It's the third longest distance you can go under the ground in the entire United States, and we're getting ready to go there. Now, we've been told that they actually have a restaurant down there we're gonna get to eat at. It's a private restaurant, should be a lot of fun. Can't wait to go down there. Then we're going into the actual suite. They have what's called the cave room, which is 300 feet under the ground, guys. And basically you can rent this, you can stay there for a night inside a real cave under the ground. It's gonna be amazing. I can't wait to show it to you guys. I hope you're ready, let's go. This is the restaurant, one of the restaurants anyways. They have a really cool gift shop over here. And the cool thing, guys, is this is like a hidden gem. There's barely anybody here. People don't know about this place. Alright guys, we're getting ready to go down into the caverns. We're gonna go see the cave room. We're gonna go have lunch down there. It's gonna be interesting. Let's go see what it's all about. Oh, it's cold in here. It's like super cold. Into the cavern. Go that way.
Just right over to the suite.
What's that? Yeah.
Over to the suite.
Yeah. All right, it's gonna take us to the suite, guys. And then we're gonna have lunch in a little while. Wow, what the heck? I like the lights, it lights it up. All right, guys, the restaurant's right up here. We're gonna go have some lunch, see what it's all about. This looks so awesome. Could you imagine having lunch in here? Could you imagine staying in here? Wow. They just built this restaurant here, guys. Not only like a week ago they opened up. So it's kind of like a hidden gem nobody knows about. They did say that there is a bucket that brings food down, and I think this is it. And they bring their dishes up this way too. If you guys do get a chance to come here and eat in the restaurant, this food, we're here at lunch, not even dinner. It is amazing. We already started eating. Like Omar, like doesn't even want to eat. He just wants to videotape it because it's that good. I got a French dip. What'd you get, Mom? The burger? Mm-hmm. And he says like the juiciest burger he's ever had. Mm-hmm. It's big too. What'd you get, Omar?
Garden salad, chicken.
Dang, that looks good.
Looks good.
A suite over here where you can stay the night if you dare, all alone down here. But he was just telling me that right here, years ago, the Navy actually tested a sonar for a nuclear submarine. And right in this hole here, they beamed it down because it's all bedrock down there. Well, they found 3 more levels of caves like this down there. Right now, they have a cave team exploring the next level down, but it goes down 1,200 feet, which is literally another 900 feet under where we're at right now. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and check out the famous Caverns cave room. It's right over here. Okay. All right, so it's right up these steps. The room is right up these. Okay, cool. All right, guys, so we're gonna go check out. Now, you guys can actually stay here overnight. I'll have the links in the description. You can check it out. It's super cool. It's about $800 to $900 per night to stay here. But if you're just in the area and you want to come on a guided tour, it's like $20 to come down here. You can even have lunch and have a tour for around $50, which It's probably one of the best deals I've ever seen. Wow, this is it. And I went right past it.
So we're in the room already?
This is it right here, bro. Check that out.
This is the suite.
Now up here, guys, there is theater seating because they actually have people that rent this place out to have concerts. There's been musicians that have actually filmed. There's orchestras that come down here because the acoustics in here is amazing. They also have weddings here. I'm gonna show you the suite here you can stay in, guys. Now, you have this whole entire place to yourself when you stay here. Now, if you have a wedding or something, I can't imagine having a better honeymoon in a place like this. Somewhere where you're all alone, no cell phones, no people to bother you, just you and your husband or wife. Can you just imagine how great that would be? They have books.
How many people can spend the night down here?
They have board games. This is their bathroom. Very cool.
At that point, it's completely up to whoever spends the night down here.
Wow.
You can look at the lights, you can either have them on.
Taking a shower down here? How cool is that?
Now what about whoever is spending the night there?
No ceiling.
First immediate, forget that's their pretty much on surface.
Check it out.
Pretty much what he said is you have access.
Your couches. There's TV. Look, there's even a bunch of DVDs down here you guys can pick from. You can have movie night down here. I wanted to show this to you during the day while the lights are on. Tonight we're actually coming back here to do a 3 a.m. challenge. It's going to be a lot different because the lights are going to be off. You're not going to be able to see as much. So we're going to just explore a little bit. We're not going to go into the caves, but they did tell us that there's a big cave room, even bigger than this one, that we're going to look at right now. But when we come back at 3 a.m., I'm going to have to be ducking the whole time.
Yeah. This is so cool.
This is way cool.
This right here is where it does 26% rating.
Oh, wow. That's a workout.
Oh, yeah. We can try doing this all day.
Oh, I bet.
All right.
Wow. Wow.
Second largest of 2 rooms. It's 220 yards in length from one wall way in there, all the way down to the corner, all the way at the other end.
I feel like I'm in Indiana Jones or something. This is crazy. All right, guys, so this is the largest room down here. This is also called the Fallout Shelter because they keep all the Fallout supplies right here, which is way cool. Wow, what kind of supplies are those? Just everything, huh?
Well, all the stuff not wrapped in plastic are the original supplies from 1962 when they originally declared it the Fallout Shelter for the Cuban Missile Crisis.
Wow, 1962 rations.
Pretty much boxes.
Guys, that's the cave we're gonna explore at 3 a.m. later. There's gonna be no lights on down here then. All right, guys, this is the way we get out. There's just so much to explore here, so much to see. You guys really have to experience this in person to really get the whole grasp of it. Whoa. Definitely don't want to go down there. Make sure you check out the Grand Canyon Caverns, guys. The links are below. They have a website, they have Facebook, they have Twitter, they have Instagram. Check them out. It's amazing. You definitely have to come here. It's only about less than 2 hours away from Las Vegas. Highly suggest you come in here. Fam, I hope you enjoyed this adventure. We're getting ready to go back, relax in our rooms for a little while because we have no internet, we have no phones out here, there's nothing, but it's kind of cool to get away. This would make a great place for you to bring your family, your husband, your wife. It's amazing. You don't even have to stay down here. You can stay in the normal rooms, which are so cool, and then come down here for a tour, maybe some lunch, because that food was delicious. We're gonna go back here tonight at 3 a.m. They're giving us special permission to film here at 3 a.m. and we've heard a lot of crazy things about this, guys, and being stuck in here, there's no way out. Literally, we're gonna be in here at 3 a.m. doing a crazy tour. There's a lot of ghosts, a lot of crazy things have been found here. Can't wait, that'll be the next video out. Hope you're ready for that. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Love you. Peace. Can you see? Whoa. Wow. That is crazy. Whoa.
Reminds me of my blood dying from